Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see Instagram story scene time. For example, if you have recently uploaded a story on Instagram and if you want to see which was the story scene time, which means when that person has seen the story. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And here you have to simply turn off the airplane mode. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the app store here and you have to simply search for Instagram and you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Instagram app. And here you have to simply upload a story. And after uploading the story, you have to simply click on the story. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply swipe up the story. So here you can simply find all the details of the story related to views and scene. So if someone sees your story, then you can simply find all the details here, which means you can simply see the story views, count, and the people which have recently viewed your story. But if you do not find any time on which that person has viewed your story, then there is no option available that you can simply check whether when the person has recently seen your story. Which means you cannot see the story scene time on Instagram. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.